sa left. Double bed. Yan. May bedside table. Clock radio yata ito. Yeah. Ito naman behind the door, merong heater. Area rug. Para sa hindi malamig sa paa.
TV.
Yeah. Remote for the TV.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the TV.
This is a light switch for the lamps.
Yeah. Dito yung bed ng girls. Yeah. Double bed, very comfortable. Kasi malaki yung headboard niya. Tsaka yung design niya, very minimalist and modern. Let's check out the view. Oh, hindi naman siya maingay kasi double glaze. City lights. Parang ito yung modern side ng London. So, yan. Sana ma-appreciate nyo kahit paano, kahit madilim. Yeah, may full body mirror. Air conditioning under installation. So, ito yung shower area nila. Very spacious. Nandyan yung rain water effect na shower. Yan. Ba? Totoo kaya yan. Meron din silang handheld na shower. Yung kanilang sink. Yun din, provided nila yung liquid soap. May baso. At may palibreng sanitary napkin. Siyempre may toilet roll. This is the sala. A sofa bed. So, another 2-person. Then, ito naman. Yung balcony. City view. At saka yung river. Kita. Tayo sa kitchen. May knife, may washing up with sponge. Tapos may toaster, may complimentary tea, coffee, hot chocolate. Ito may kettle, electric kettle. And then ito, yan, cutleries or induction cooker. Tapos may oven, may washing machine and dryer. Ayan. Dishwasher. Yan. Kaya lang walang kasamang dishwashing tablet. Sayang. Freezer. Ayan. May wine glass. Cups and saucers and plates. May microwave. Exhaust fan. Pag inatak mo to, automatic pagbubukas. Sara ko na. Maingay. Gabi na. Yan, table for 4. Yan. Parang wood. Yeah. Yung study table nila. Or electrical outlet. Ito yung radio with iPod dock na naman. Air condition, pero under installation pa siya. Yan, yung artwork and my TV. May dalawang armchair. Very presentable. And malinis. Yeah. So, ang accommodation na to ay service apartment. Yung breakfast, room service. Yeah. Good night muna sa inyo. Morning, gising ng mga girls. Nagre-ready na sila sa shower. May hair dryer pala. Nakita ko sa loob ng closet. Yung shower kay ate. Oopsie. So, maganda. This one, you don't need to move this. That's for the hot temperature. So, just this one. Turn towards the left.
Okay.
Yeah, you can control. Woo! Ano ba yan? Teka. I'll open it na nga. Billingsgate Market. May maganda mga market. May mga kainan. Mga street food. So, tingnan natin. 9 o'clock pa serve yung breakfast. Kaya
10 o'clock?
9. Yeah, service. They will bring the breakfast here. Ay, naubos lang muna namin yung mga hira namin kagabi. Gutom na rin kasi kami. Tumating na ang breakfast. Tumating siya in a brown bag. Oh, you got milk. Okay.
We got bread.
Wait. Bread. Anong bread yan? Ah? Yes. Okay, put it down.
And 2 golden syrup.
Quaker oats. Fruit yogurt. Yeah. Full fat. In order namin.
And croissants individually wrapped. Oh, there's some more. Mario. Okay. We have orange juice and apple juice. Yeah. And a lot of jam. A lot of jam.
Oh, it's nice. A jam in a jar. Mini jar.
Can everybody get their hands out?
It's a honey. What is it for? For the porridge. But the porridge is sweet already. And black currant jam. Another honey. They know that we have sweet tooth. Diabetes time. This one is nice. Cold press cloudy apple juice. Lots of butter. Can you use it? Yeah, it's so good. Yan ang ating breakfast. Yan na. Kain tayo. Nag-ready na kami to check out.